Okay lang yan. Nice one. Very good. Very good, Nara. Nice one. Very good.
On court number 1, semi-finals, John Cayena versus Rhino Miranda, court number 1. 30 Soriano of MOOBs proceeding to your assembly. Nagulong po yan, may open na po yung ating mga stall. Meron po tayo mga pangkatsu. On court number 4, boys singles, 800 semi-final. Joe. Juan Rafael Halap, court number 5.
Nara.
14 under, round of 16.
Ayun na,
Brendan
sige.
Del Pantay,
Go!
FPC versus Demo.
Already. Nice one. Yo! Tara lang, Nara. Go, look!
Gabriel Molinaro, Spartan.
Ay, Nara, Nara. Kaya, 1-1. Ay, Nara. Stationing. Wala. Nice one, good eye. Good.
JP Mo, RBC Batangas. JP Mo, Gabriel Molinaro, Spartan California Training Academy versus Daniel Bilua, number 7. The singles 14 under Pablo Del Rosario of JPNCC, Gabriel Murillo of FPC of Spartan Badminton Training Academy versus Paki Arnaiz of GDA. Please proceed to players assembly area. Please proceed to players assembly area.
Nice one. Nice one. Yo!
Ryan Venezuela.
Takbo, takbo!
Boys singles, 14 under, runner 16. Rodney Nick for of CBTC LTC. Please proceed.
Hindi pa pa din ginagawa. Dad! Dad! Hindi pa pa daw. Sabi mo.
Ah, kita mo? Kulang yung atras mo. Ah, malipis.
Singles,